Hey guys, so this will be a quick video. Lyft shares went on the stock market yesterday, I think, was it? Lyft rises 9% on first day of trading for a market cap of 26.5 billion. Lyft share price soars 20% in minutes on taxi app's stock market debut. 1 day ago, guys. So, how to buy Lyft stock. Let's go through this. To buy Lyft stock, start researching the company's financials, then start a budget, open a brokerage account, and purchase your shares. Simple. At Nerd Wallet, we adhere to strict standards of editorial. Rideshare company Lyft recently put its shares on the stock market, which means the average individual investor is finally able to buy Lyft stock. The company has a lot of fans. The initial public offering was highly anticipated. It's one of the first in a long line of tech stocks expected to go public this year. Lyft stock is easy for investors to find. It is listed on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol LYFT. Funny that. So, should you buy a Lyft stock? That depends on your existing portfolio, your goals and your expectations for the company and whether it will continue to grow. I think it will, definitely. Before making any stock purchase, you want to do some research and due diligence so you don't get taken for a ride. Here's how to buy a Lyft stock. Dig into Lyft's financials. So, yeah, obviously do your research. I think they'll be around for a long time because, competition should bring the prices down for other companies like Uber, etc., among other things. What you're looking for is a sense that Lyft is poised for growth. The best place to start your Lyft research is the company's Form S1, okay? We've seen this with but new to you can sift through a long history of how the stock was performed. Stocks frequently react dramatically following an IPO. The share price may drop or spike significantly from its first offering price. We've seen this with wholly anticipated stocks like Facebook and Snapchat. So, there's one place you want to go to. The company's form, which companies files with the Securities and Exchange Commission before going public. The form is essentially a prospectus. So go and have a look there, guys, for the IPO. It goes into detail about the company's business, including its growth strategy and how it earns. It also includes company financial data, details about past revenue, expenses, balance sheet, etc. And importantly, it details and explains possible risks to the company's bottom line. When you're looking for a sense that Lyft is poised for growth, after all, you buy a stock because you think it will grow. Okay, set a budget for your investment. Obviously, don't spend more than you can afford. Here's more about index funds and how to invest. I'll let you read through these, guys. Otherwise, this will be a 2-hour video. Lyft isn't a 4, even 3-figure stock. The company's over 72, which means a few $100s will buy you several shares. So get it while it's going good, because they won't be low long, I would say. Open a brokerage account. Guide to open a brokerage account. So this article is basically a one-stop shop of how to do everything. We've compiled a list of the best brokers. So look, it's all on this page, guys. To get you started, here's some of our top picks. So, Ali Invest, Ameritrade, Xtrade, Open Trade, Trade Fee $4.95, up to 3,000, up to 4, the cash bonus, So that one looks pretty good. Okay, once you've opened your account, you need to fund it with at least the amount you want to invest. Buy Lyft stock. You have the money, you have the brokerage account. Now it's time to click the buy button for Lyft. Most brokers offer a couple of different trading platforms. I'll let you go through that. The website return to data page. Order types can be complicated. Need more here. How to buy stocks. In general, a market order is best if you want to buy Lyft as quickly as possible. Use a limit order if you want to buy Lyft only at a set price and you're willing to pass on the stock if the share price exceeds that limit. What's next? Learn how to open a brokerage account, read our guide to buying stocks, read about the author. So there you go, guys. you can't lose, I'd say, with this one. That's a good article for going over the basics. If you've got some money, don't sell your house to buy these. But I would definitely get a few. Now, also, I'd like to tell any potential, any potential Uber share drivers what they will need, because it's not a matter of just going out there with a car and being an Uber driver. There are certain things you will need that will definitely help you in your sort of career, get you going as a Uber driver or a Lyft driver or whoever. So let's have a look at that now. The rideshare guy. Products, services, software that Uber and Lyft drivers use. Okay? There's a list of all services, apps, software that Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, Postmates, DoorDash drivers use to save money, make money, and to help with taxes. Click here to sign up. Blah, 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 blah. He's also written this article, Essential Gear Every Rideshare Driver Should Have. Let's look at some of this stuff. Mileage tracking apps. Stride Drive. Stride Drive is brand new. I'll just go through this slowly. You guys can read it. If you want to come to this article, I'll put this up here. There it is there. What's that? Theory to Share Guy.com. So take note of that. Okay, pull that down again. This is a good article. So you got your mileage tracking apps, okay? TripLog, Mile IQ, car accessories and products for Uber and Lyft drivers. These are the products that will help you in your job. Uber Light Up Service. Basically, this is a cool little illuminated sign that will help you right now. Where are we? I still got it. Anyway, yeah, well, I'll take you to the website. After I've showed you this, we'll go to a website where you can get all this stuff. So there you go. There's a cool little illuminated sign that'll help your ride stand out and help you find your packs. Right, Kenu Airframe, the best phone mount in my opinion. 4-port car charger. This is car charger. I've actually got one of those. This is a must-have since your phone will lose battery quickly running the Uber app, GSP, GPS, I always get that wrong, and browsing Facebook. Bath bags. Essentials. These are pretty cheap, but you will be happy you have them, just in case. Yeah. WeatherTech floor mats. These floor mats are top of the line, and you transport a lot of beach packs like I do, they'll make it easy to clean. It's good common sense there. To Go Hook. Cool hook for your car that is great for the delivery drivers to hang food on, or for your packs to hang their stuff. See, good ideas. Best dash cam for rideshare drivers. Falcon F360 dash cam. This is the dash cam I use personally, and you can also check out our review here. There's also that. These products, right now, look at this. These products will help you get more tips. Who doesn't want more tips? Lots of tipping options for drivers to help educate your Uber packs and get more tips. Tipping sign, tip box, tip jar. So you need a tipping sign, you need a tip box, you need a tip jar, one or the other, or maybe all those three. Square Rider. The Square Rider is a free attachment for your smartphone that allows drivers to accept tips on Uber rides. Normally they charge a $2.75 fee, but your first $1,000 of payments will be processed free. Well, that's pretty cool. Rideshare Candy Jar. Encourage your passengers to tip you with the rideshare candy jar. A lighted tip jar with a locked business card holder, cell phone station, and 3-in-1 Neo charger. Getting out of a traffic ticket. Get dismissed. Won't help fighting your traffic ticket. Sign up here. Use the code and get $10 off an annual membership for Get Dismissed. Useful products you can sell as an Uber or Lyft driver, so why not make some money while you're making some money? Emergency portable charger. Buy and sell portable chargers. Umbrellas. Good idea. Good idea. That's a good idea. They get in wet and they go out dry. Tax software for rideshare drivers. TurboTax. I've used this software for the past 10 years and never had any problems. H&R Block. That's pretty self-explanatory. They've been around for years. Merchandise, trucker hat, rock merchandise, wherever you go. So let's have a look. I'll show you the website. Let's have a look at this Uber Lite. And this website's pretty much got everything. Let's have a look. I hope it's the website that I'm thinking of. Yep, this is the puppy. See, look at that. That's pretty cool. Your text. Bold, beautiful, better. All of the above. Stick that on and do you have the essentials? Look. They've got everything you need. Illuminated signs, passenger amenities, bath bag, I think in other words, smart accessories, glow sign accessories, tip jars, look at those, they're pretty cool. See what you need to see. Equipable lighting kits. Look at this, guys. Tip signs, look. Get your tip signs there. Classic logo, modern logo, lift signs, combo packages. Better tools for better drivers. More tips and more tips and more tips. Time is more than just money. Protect your machine. So there you go. Look at that. I'll leave a link to this site below.